Gusto mo mag-virtual assistant pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula? Like and follow this video. Here are 5 basic skills that you must know as a virtual assistant kung nagsisimula ka pa lang. First in the list is email management. Yung simpleng pag-check lang ng email ay isang magandang basic skill na as a virtual assistant by knowing how to reply, how to organize everything, and making the inbox of your clients stress-free is a big plus skill as a virtual assistant. Second skill that you must have is calendar scheduling. You must organize like a pro. Based on our label or job position of virtual assistant, tayo po yung assistant ng client natin sa pag-organize ng lahat ng appointments niya, ng mga events na kailangan niyang attenan. Kumbaga, ikaw yung magiging time manager ng client mo. Third basic skill to have as a virtual assistant is social media basics. Simpleng pagre-reply lang sa mga comments, magpo-post lang ng mga graphics or photos of your clients is a big plus na rin as a virtual assistant. Kaya maganda na meron kang alam na social media basics, and of course, kasama na dyan yung graphics. If you know how to use Canva, CapCut for video editing, and then it's a good plus for you. But tayo naman lahat ng mga Pilipino, we all know how to use social media, right? So it's easier for us to help our clients in this way. Fourth VA basic that you must have as a virtual assistant, of course, is data entry. And accuracy is power. Okay lang na mabagal, basta tama yung mga nailalagay natin na information for our client. If may pinahanap siya sa atin, may pina-research, make sure lang na hindi nagkakaroon ng typographical error yung mga ginagawa natin na copies and everything for them. Fifth and last VA skill that you must have as a virtual assistant is, of course, communication skills. Talking clearly and having good communication is key. It should always be clear, professional, and dapat confident ka din. Kung may magtatanong dyan, dapat ba fluent sa pag-i-English? Guys, hindi naman kailangan na sobrang fluent mo sa pag-i-English, especially sa mga may international clients. Okay lang kahit mabagal, kahit hindi sobrang slang at sobrang bilis, as long as naiintindihan nyo ang isa't isa. Conversational English is okay. Yun lang guys, that's the 5 VA skills that you must have as a virtual assistant. If you want more tips and resources like this to become a virtual assistant, please like and follow us. And mag-iwan ka ng comment dyan if you want to know more. Let me know para sagutin natin yung mga tanong nyo. Thank you so much, Wonder VA. See you on our next one.